I am fighting this election on the promise of bringing change with the trust, support and endorsement of my candidature given by the class of people. I am confident that the party, the NDPP party, the ruling party will come out victoriously with a thumping majority in the by-election.
People have more support, and they have all our people they have decided to vote for me, and I think I'll be getting a good this turnout from this side in this by-election. Though we are in the opposition also, I've got full faith since the entire village is on my side. If I win, I'm sure they will accommodate me also.
Okay, what will be your top priority if you win this?
My top priority will be to concentrate at the grassroots level, to work for the downtrodden people, especially the villagers, the farmers, and also to explore avenues for educated unemployed, the youth.
My name is LIRIMONG SANGTAM, PTA candidate from BJP. I've casted my vote and I'm expecting more and more votes from my supporters.
Ami laganem Jitung Sham Chairman Kiphire village ase aji 2020 by election day amahan village day election to ekdam peaceful para clean election loi ase.